Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Onrain Tech Corner, the corner of the web where we talk about tech. And I am excited for this one. I'm going to be unboxing my new iPhone 14 Pro. Let's get started. For those of you that seen my my Apple event thoughts in the last video, if not, I'll put a thing up here and a link down in the description so you can watch it after this video. But I was excited when I heard about the new iPhone because it was about time I upgraded from the SE2. Because since then we got the iPhone 12, 13, and SE3. So at least I know there's going to be a generational gap in the performance somewhere. Which we're going to find out exactly where that's at in the review. But got my hands on a new iPhone. Let's unbox it. Okay, so here we have the iPhone 14 Pro. And we open the box, and as you can see, I got it in I think they call it graphite. Alright, so take it out. Oh, there's gonna be satisfying peel. Oh yeah. Look at that. Brand new screen. The only thing I'm worried about is going to be like dents and scratches all over the next couple of years. Yeah, we got like a nice matte black on the back. Those are the 3 cameras. That is a nice reflection there. Now, here's the dynamic island. I forgot to mention that in my thoughts. But yeah, that's the notch is going to be really, really noticeable. So we're going to put that phone aside. Then, what else we got here? Sorry for the shakiness. The table is really, really shaky. Okay. So here we got the cable, or the power cable that comes with it, which is actually a USB-C to Lightning adapter. Not quite sure how that's going to work in most cases, because all I got is USB-A. But yeah, decent length. And then we've got this thing here that says designed by Apple in California. Now what comes in here? Oh, that's something I never checked for. So we'll get back to that. Looks like we got a little bit of a startup guide here. Yeah, health and safety, exposure to radio frequency, that good stuff, and the famous Apple sticker. Nice to have another one of those. Now it does come with a SIM tray pen. Oh, yes, it actually does come with one. Seems to be right about here. It's kind of hard to pick up on camera, but it's just below the volume buttons, like it should be. Here's the well, here I am getting back to the phone already. There's the silence mode button, I think it's called. Power button on this side. But it is a nice feel, like it is hefty. Oh man. Can't wait to be trying this phone out. That seems to do it for the unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro. Join us in a later video where we're going to be doing a complete review of it, minus breakdown, because I'm not tearing this phone apart, not for love nor money. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, everybody.